welcome back to our channel. My name is Sarah and we have been sharing on our channel just how much we love the fall. I love autumn, I love the fall, I love the changing of the seasons, everything about it, the colors and the pumpkins and just everything. And so I have been sharing our fall cozy home decor just about every day here on our channel. I'm featuring a different room in our home and how I have decorated it for the fall and for the autumn. So I invite you to grab a warm cup of apple cider, sit down and enjoy today as I share with you my cozy autumn kitchen.